Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. All right guys, in this video on the how to start a stationery business, we are going to talk about the t-shirt aspect. I am going to blend this video together with a cafe press video. No point intended, but I really want to do this. I don't know if this is going to be a two-part or a one-part, but I don't know. It's going to be the t-shirt. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I found a site called Wordens, and currently a lot of people and makers who are creating content for like stationery businesses, they're using the shirt comfort colors. We're going to look that up here. So I'm going to type in comfort colors, and it's going to bring up all of the shirts and products that they have. You see they have t-shirts here, they have hoodies, they have hats and things like that. This is like a youth tee, adult lightweight, and I think I'm going to go with the lightweight. So let's see what colors they have. Because from this website, so I think I'm going to get a white shirt. I really want a medium. Let's see if they have white and medium. They do. I'm going to get a medium. I'll add that to my cart. And the reason why I'm going to get white is because I already have the black HTV vinyl. But I also truly, really, it says orchid, but I'm assuming it's like a purple color. They don't have it in medium though. I'm trying to think what else color that I should get. This is like a chalky mint. Oh, maybe I'll try that. They don't have medium. Here's the, what is this? This is brick. That's terracotta, blue jean, black, gray. So maybe I'll try, let's see what the gray looks like. I don't know though. Boston berry and pepper. Let's get a pepper and then we'll put black on black. These will be the shirts that I will make at home. And let's go to the checkout just to see what the price would be for that. For 2 shirts from Wordens, I'm sure it might be cheaper someplace else, but it's $6. A lot of times I use Jiffy shirts, but today I'm using Wordens. If I go and find these shirts cheaper in my unboxing video, I will definitely tell you where I got the comfort color shirts from. But without me like putting in my zip code, it's about $13, and they take sizzle. Okay, if you order a lot and you want to make payments, they have that as well. I'm gonna go over to Cafe Press. I've already downloaded a design that I want to add because Cafe Press actually has comfort color shirts. So I'm excited about that. Oh, let's do brunch. I created this design that says let's do brunch. I thought it would be like a fun design for a weekend. And then I'll just repeat that. I'm just uploading this on Cafe Press as a Coins and Connections shirt. So then once my shop is up, you guys can purchase this. Brunch vibes, weekend, Coins and Connections, brunch. Let's do brunch date, brunch niece, girlfriends. Okay, those few different tags. This content is for anyone. We're gonna go ahead and save that design. And you're getting like a 2-for-1. I think I've already showed you guys how to actually put a design up on here. It's like one of these things where I really don't love this site, but it is what it is. I cannot remember how I did it before because I do have one in my cart, just so y'all know. So this is the comfort color shirt here already in my cart, but I cannot remember how I did this. And this one is the small business shirt. It's sad when you can't remember how you did something. Maybe I went to like clothing. And, oh, create your own. I probably did. So create your own clothing. That's what I did. I hit create your own. Let's go back to create your own. And we go to women's t-shirts. So we have women's comfort colors here. It says start a new design, and the colors here, they have the sea foam. That would be cool, but they also have this crimson red. See, the colors that I have wouldn't go good with the let's do brunch design. Unless it's like charcoal. Let's see what it looks like on here. That's why I say Cafe Press is like, it is something, okay? It is something. You have to get used to this. So let me look at it. Probably gonna get a medium. Let's make some changes by bringing it up and add that to cart. I don't know, y'all. I might end up just getting the crimson red, but you see the price here from Cafe Press. This video is long, so I'll probably cut out a lot of this, or maybe not, it just depends. I'll probably end up purchasing the red shirt just so it could stay on brand, but I did want to go through this and let you guys know that Cafe Press has comfort color shirts. If you wanted to put your brand on Cafe Press with that style of shirt and let it be print on demand, you can use this website. I'm ordering the comfort color shirt so I can press at home and show you guys that process. And then I'm ordering a comfort color shirt from Cafe Press because it is one of the only print on demand sites that have the style of shirts that have become more popular lately. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I'm going to create my shirt for my stationery business with a small business owner design. I hope this video was easy to understand because, like I said, Cafe Press is one of those websites that drives me up the wall, but I'm so excited as this series is coming together. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are enjoying when I do the reviews and the unboxing of the products that I got, and just to see it come together full circle. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.